Hey guys, NCWQ here, and it's 7:34 a.m. Just looking through EMSC and found that New York had a 2.6 earthquake. It was 6 kilometers deep, and I figured we'd just go look it up. It was 6 kilometers northwest of Adams, United States, population 1,800. Probably wasn't felt very much, may have been. Emphasis on the may. Just depends on where it was at. And because the East Coast has a harder type of soil, the vibrations carry further. This one appears to be up here near Adams. So that's Adams here. This appears to be trees, and there are houses in this area, so it may have been felt. And people who do feel earthquakes, please be invited to go and let these agencies know that you did feel them. That way they get better um, information as to how many people actually feel these earthquakes in real time data. So this is Adams over here, and this is Honeydew Land Horse Stables over here. South Harbor Road is right here. This is 81 that runs through here, and 76 that runs through this way. So this earthquake was off of 76. I'm believing that's probably Highway 76. Green Settlement Road. And that's the borough there. I don't know what the borough is. Let's click it. It's a housing complex. That's County Road 76. So, anyways, that's where this earthquake's occurring in Upper New York. All right, you guys, much love and God bless.